Alright, we are out here in San Fernando. We're out here at Foster Freeze. Going to be lighting up the sign over here. Got it all redone over here. We got our ice cold carbonated beverage. Yeah, buddy. Got the El Camino out here. There's a lot of people out here. Looks like it's going to be a cool little event. Anyways, that little sign right there got refurbished. City officials here. Man, it's official. Looking pretty cool over here. Anyways, gonna get ourselves here an ice cream in a little bit. But you never know unless you go. So we came, found out. You know what to do with me. Take a walk with me. Let's go. Got 57. A 58-foot long Cadillac. That El Camino out here, laid out. Whoa, it's that pretty lady over there. Hello. Don't muck with that duck, baby.
Thank you guys very much for joining us tonight. My name is Oscar with Red Diamond Pass. Very fortunate to be here today. So it's a big round of applause for you guys for the City of San Fernando.
All right, San Fernando. Let's check that out over there.
So just real quickly how this project came to be. I've always loved Foster's and I've always wanted to see how can we get this neon sign restored for them. And the City of San Fernando had a beautiful grant available. So we took the grant and we helped Nora actually come up, and who's the owner. So big round of applause for Nora, by the way, over here. So we were able to find the original gentleman who restored the neon sign 30 years ago, and we had him come back to restore the sign one more time for us. His name is Oscar from Oscar's Printing. I don't know if he's here or not. We did invite him, but he's actually from the City of San Fernando as well. So big round of applause to him because he came back after 30 years to restore the sign for us. So,
way to go,
yes.
Oscar.
So I'm going to pass the mic over to Ron with the City of San Fernando. So here you go.
Excellent. Thank you, Oscar. Thank you, everyone, for making it tonight. This is a great event to celebrate one of our iconic businesses in the city. I want to pass it over to our mayor.
Thank you all for coming today. We also have two of our council members, Vice Mayor Victoria Garcia, as well as Councilwoman Mary Mendoza. Oh, three, there we go. And then Councilmember Mary Solorio. And we have our wonderful representatives from our state legislators here, Senator Menjivar and Assemblymember Rivas. So we can give them all a round of applause with that. I apologize. There we go. Thank you so much. And so I'd like to congratulate Foster's Freezes. This is incredible. I think that restoring its original beauty is something that is very traditional to do in San Fernando, a city that prides itself on being historic and visionary. And this was all done through our small business grant. Foster Farms has been a staple in our community, and I'd like to thank them for hosting this event today, for having all these wonderful people here, and in addition to that, for having these incredible cars here as a great demonstration to the community. So many thanks, and I'd like to pass this to my colleagues.
Right here, Pachuco. Badass troca. Super clean. Sexy. Sexy right there. Walking on back. Falling over. Hello, ladies. Oh, let's not forget that plaque. Respect to that plaque, Pachuco. Alright, walk across the street right here, another Pachuco badass bomba. Oh, that room back there. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Huh? Pachuco. Respect to that plaque. See the front? Nice little event out here. There's quite a few people rolling up. We'll get over there to the other side of the street. It's a nice patina love right here. Nice workout room in there. Right? What do you got to say, Felix? Super clean Ford right here. Those big ass white walls. Hells yeah. Clean this. Let's go on this side. Since he's leaning on the back, how clean that paint is. Nice, beautiful interior. Burgundy. Very clean.
Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. That English show.
Dreamers rolled up over here. Truck and a bike. All right. I am the devil. I'm here to do the devil's work. All right. The Jabba Wabba Club right there. Get that plaque. Dreamers. Badass pinstripe. Gonna be hitting Laurel Canyon here in a little bit. So we'll have 2 videos here. All the working's going on, all kinds of goodness going on in there, huh? Up and over the top. Badass 67 Corvette right here. Check out that blue.
Anyway, we'll see you in the next one.
Hey, how you doing? Bug, clean ass bug. '63. Badass Chevy across the street. Where's my zoom? I don't know.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys, enjoy. We're going to play some music for you guys. Once again, guys,
That's
this is
pretty
restored
cool.
from back from the 1950s.
This is
on the side here.
the 4th Foster Freeze in the Valley, 1948. How awesome is that? Yeah, it's pretty cool here. Got badass wrap rod right here. .48.5 foot long Cadillac. Long and lean. Got a 32. Badass, got that big tire. Let's see if we can't scoot on through right here. Doing the moonwalk. Right? Where are you hiding? Ford block in there? Supercharged. Let's go. Hold on, let's check it out right here. A little Misfits action. A Nomad. Never be mad. Had a Nomad. Put on your Sunday best, kids. Going to Sears. And that clean ass interior right there. Surfboard on top. Let's go catch some waves. We're sitting on top of the world. Spinaroonie over here. Gotta have a nice good white wall on there. Got that Firestones. Chop chop. This thing sounds meaty when it rolls around. And it's just a little small block. But it sounds badass. Some Union money going on right here. Got the skirts, chop top, badass steering wheel. It's gonna be a good night, Tater. This custom Ford over here, beautiful color. There's people right there, so we can't go walking down it. But man, just look right there.
Oh, 100%.
Good times, good people out here. That fella's gonna have to get a sweatshirt. Getting a little chilly. Oh man, got that flathead. You know we're sucker for a good hood ornament. Love it, I love it. Ford. Say there's a lot of people around here, so we can't even get in and out of everything, but you know what? Fuck it. You see what I see. Small block drop in there. GPS welding.
Last night was.
Bounce around. So homie Paul and Jen with a G. That beautiful grill. Beautiful Chevrolet. Clean ass truck. I know that guy. That bed.
Very nice, Joe. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I didn't.
Got another 50-foot Cadillac over here. Rolling 120 spoke. All right, get back on track over here. It takes 5 minutes to walk the length of this Cadillac. Nice straight, no ripple. Kids are playing hide and seek in between these cars. Dangerous. We got a little patina love over here in the corner. 66. There's a gang of people here. It's a small parking lot, so it seems like there's even more people here. Got that pull tab. Patina love.
Why are you taking it? Why are you taking it? Swear to God. And now you my heart. You have to say my heart. You say you swear to God.
The Fleetsiders. Specs of that plaque. You see that in there? Yeah, buddy. And some Dolly Partons on the front. Patina love in the making right here. Look at that. All the good stuff. Coyotes. Juan. Respects. Coyotes right there. Finally got his hood on. He's been without his hood for a little while. Gonna get some breakdown ass color right here. Let's go. Teardrop lights.
What happened to you when you broke down?
I just had to. No, it didn't break down. It just had to let the damn thing cool off. It's cruising. It's got places to go, people to see. Got some El Camino love action over here. El Camino, we got short bed. C10 action. Straight body. Look at that. Got some drippers. The oil drippers. Dumped. Got record and rides. That 4. Got the turntables on the backside. There's a gang of people over here. They're all crammed into one little area. So we can't get that truck. Patina love over here. I got the king. Let me tell you a little something. You done came and we done found the bug. Yeah. still not trying to get run over out here. Anyways, gonna be done right here at Foster's. Pretty cool, man. They got a good burger right here too. Right here on McLean, and even some good ass ice cream. Man, highly recommended. Anyways, never know unless you go. We done came, we done found out. Like, subscribe. Thank you for everybody who's done so thus far. Got the El Camino back here. Gonna get it fired up here in a second. Can you see that sign back there? Hells yeah. Anyways, let's go, let's fucking go.